Okay, the final rolls from the basics are going to be, Yoko Nagare. We're going to look at it both again from Shizen Tai as well as gamae. So from a natural stance, I'm going to extend my left leg forward with my left arm. I lower my body straight down, and with the momentum of the leg going forward, I roll over the high shoulder. So let's break it down. Shizen, and stand. So drop, roll, hands stay on the hips, and stand. Now when I do this from gamae, it's really not much different. I lift my body up, I turn I'm going to have to sort of adjust because I don't want it to become a back roll. So from here, come up, left leg goes out, roll, maintaining the hands on the hips. Body comes up, extend the leg, roll, continuing to face this direction. And this is Yoko Nagare. So there are three types of rolls that we're looking at to develop in the basics of the Takagi Yoshin Ryu Jutaijutsu: Zempo Kaiten, Koho Kaiten, and Yoko Nagare.